Buddies, you would have already watched my video of our Shark Universal Tank Bag installation. Now, the same tank bag can also be used as a tail bag. So today, let me show you how to install this. In my previous video, I had mentioned that you get 3 straps with this tank bag. 2 with loops on one end and other one which is attached to the base. However, you also have one more strap in the tank bag with plain ends on both sides. Step 1. You would have to remove all the 4 buckles from the base like this. Step 2. You would have to put this buckle onto the strap like this. On both the ends. And the remaining 2 buckles, you would have to put them onto the straps which have the loop. You get 4 buckles. 2 you would have to put them onto the straps with a loop and 2 onto the plain strap. Step 3. You would have to take this buckle through the loop. As always, make sure that this strap is not touching the exhaust or any electrical wiring. Now, you would have to put this buckle like this and then tighten it by lifting here. Do the same thing on the other side of the motorcycle. Next step, you would have to engage these buckles like this and bring it under the tail tidy or the grab rail or the top rack or the backrest. And then tighten it like this by pulling this up. Make sure that the strap is not obstructing the indicators or any moving parts. So this is how you install the Shark Universal Tank Bag, which can also be used as a tail bag. So thank you for watching, buddies, and you can buy our tank bag on our website guardiangates.in or amazon.com or any of your nearest dealers. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.